Okay, students, so let's see what is proportion. Okay, what is proportion? This is just an introduction so that you can understand exactly what is proportion rather than just solving the problems. Proportion is a continuation of ratio. Okay, it is nothing but the correct equality of two ratios. Okay, equality of two ratios, then the term proportion will come in the picture. Now what is this equality of two ratios? For example, if you have A upon B as one ratio and C upon D as another ratio, then if A upon B is equal to C upon D, then we can say A, B, C, D are in proportion. Okay, then we can see A, B, C, D are in proportion. For example, if you get 20 out of 50 in maths and at the same time you get 40 out of 100 in science, so in which subject you think you scored more marks? This is 20 out of 50, the other one is 40 out of 100. Now for this, since the denominator are different, you cannot say I scored more in science, because 40 is out of 100 and 20 is out of 50. Now let's check to see which you scored highest. You have to bring the denominators to same or reduce them till the simplest form. So if you say 20 out of 50, this will give you, if you cancel 0, 0, you'll get 2 upon 5. The simplest form of this ratio is 2 upon 5. And 40 out of 100, cancel this 0, 2 2s are 2 upon 5s are. So this also comes to 2 upon 5. That means 20 out of 50 is equal to 40 out of 100, because both the value, when you bring it to simplest term, you get 2 upon 5 and here also you get 2 upon 5. So what you can say about these two? That means you scored equal marks in both the subjects, and you can say that 20, 50, 40, 100, they are in proportion. Okay, because the ratio of 20 upon 50 is equal to the ratio of 40 out of 100. Okay, now usually we call these numbers, or we call this as terms. So we have A, B, C, D. These are nothing but terms. Now if you see A and D are at the extreme end, so they are called as A, D are called as extremes, and B and C are in the middle term. So B, C we call it as middle term or the mean. Okay, so that's why using this we'll get a formula through which we can solve different problems, because we know A upon B is equal to C upon D. When you do cross multiply, you get AD will be equal to BC. So this is the formula which we will use to say whether the given terms are in proportion or not. For example, if I say 4, 10, 40, 100, so this is my A, B, C, D. So A multiplied by B will be 4 into 100, and A multiplied by D, and B multiplied by C will be 10 into 40. 400 is equal to 400. When these products are equal, that means the given terms are in ratio. So the formula is products of the mean is equal to products of the extremes. Okay.